back to my channel. I did this DIY plant hanger and I received a lot of compliments. Everybody asked how I did it, and honestly it's very simple and quick, and you could do it literally just under $1. So let's get started with doing this DIY plant hanger. For this DIY we are going to use some dowels. I have these dowels cut out for measurements. I'll give you that in a moment. So you could use the dowels from any of the craft store. You could also use the skewers you find at the dollar store, or any other sticks that you could probably use for this project. You're free to use anything you like. This plant hanger has 8 sides, so we will need dowels for 8 sides. I have 5 dowels cut out here for 5 inches each, 2 dowels cut out for 7 inches each, and the 8th side we will measure it as we go along and we build our plant hanger. So as the first step, we are going to need to create the base structure of the triangle. With that, we will be needing 3 dowels. Place them together. These are the 5 inches, and on the lower side I am using the dowels that measure 7 inches. So it's like creating 2 triangles, one a big one, another one is a smaller one. I'm going to glue it all together. Base is ready. Next step is to have these 2 sides put together. So I'm going to create another triangle with this side on the base and these 2 sides hanging. So I have glued the 3rd side as well. And a quick tip here, when you are gluing the sticks, instead of gluing the ends side to side like this, just try to glue them with one side pointing forward, so you have a more clear or crisp corners instead of just 2 ends pointing outside. I think this looks much better than this one, like here. Okay, now the 8th side, we have to measure it from this corner of the triangle that is outside to this end of the triangle of the bigger side. So we will measure this and cut out a dowel or a stick for this measurement, and then glue it together. And there it is. I have added the last side and our plant hanger is ready. Now for the final step, I did create a loop around here to hang it. You could just hang it directly from this corner or create a loop of yarn or any other thread you like. And sorry, I forgot to mention about painting it. You could paint it after it's done or before you start this project and just paint all the sticks together. It's totally up to you. Whatever color choice you like, whatever suits you, whatever you need for your decor, anything, just fine. And here are our beautiful plant holders, hangers, done for just under $1 and for less than 5 minutes.